Package contents. Compatible replacement for Canon PG-245XL 245XL CL-246XL 246XL PG-243CL 244 ink cartridges 3-pack, 2 black and 1 tricolor, with ink level indicator. Compatible with. For Canon Pixma Trail 4520, Pixma Trail 4522, Pixma IP 2820, Pixma MG 2420, Pixma MG 2520, Pixma MG 2522, Pixma MG 2920, Pixma MG 2922, Pixma MG 2924, Pixma MX 490, Pixma MX 492, Pixma MG 2525, Pixma MG 3020, Pixma MG 3022, Pixma MG 3029, Pixma TS 3120, Pixma TS 3122, Pixma TS 202, Pixma TS 302 wireless all-in-one inkjet printers. Page yield. Up to 400 pages per PG-245XL ink cartridge, up to 300 pages per Canon CL-246XL ink cartridge. Color. 2 black, 1 tricolor. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. Heat product for the money. Best ink for the money. As a realtor, I print a lot of copies. Black and white and colored. Excellent color and long-lasting. I seem to get more copies with this ink than any other ink that I have tried. I bought this ink 10 times and will continue to purchase this product in the future. Also, because of the number of copies I get, I feel I am saving money in the long run.